So far, we've been talking about two charged objects and how they're going to interact. A related issue is how a moving charged object changes its pathway when it travels through an electrical field. This is a very useful principle, but we need to think harder about what's going to happen. Let's imagine an object going left to right through an electric field, hitting a wall on the right where we may detect it. The electric field exists between two charged plates as shown in the picture, with a negative plate on top and a positive plate on the bottom. Now consider a charged particle and say it follows the red pathway. Can you determine if it was positively or negatively charged? Now consider a second charged object of the same mass and say it follows the blue pathway. What about its sign? And is the second charge larger or smaller than the first? Think about Coulomb's law for force, and which object is experiencing the greater force. In the previous example, we assumed that the masses of the two objects whose pathways were deflected were the same. But if the masses are different, that can also affect the amount of deflection. Imagine someone rolls a beach ball towards you and you kick it. Pretty easy to change its pathway. Significant amount of deflection. But now imagine someone rolls a bowling ball towards you and you kick it with the same force. Will the heavier object deflect more or less? We have these two separate experiments showing that the deflection of an object can depend on its charge and its mass. How would you express this mathematically? Think about it. Here are some choices. We'll have the result in a future video.